Looking for a Klaviyo exclusive deal before signing up? If you're running an e-commerce store, Shopify brand, agency, SaaS company, or subscription business, that's a smart thing to check first. But here's what most successful brands eventually discover. The real value isn't finding a one-time discount. It's finding a platform that helps you generate more revenue from the customers you already have. That's exactly why Klaviyo has become one of the most trusted platforms for e-commerce marketing. Instead of managing separate tools for email marketing, SMS marketing, customer data, analytics, customer service, and automation, Klaviyo brings everything together into a single platform. That means every email, text message, automation, and customer interaction can be based on real customer behavior. For example, a visitor joins your email list. A customer abandons their cart. A VIP customer makes another purchase. A customer becomes inactive. Klaviyo can automatically trigger personalized campaigns designed to increase engagement and drive revenue. What's especially interesting in 2026 is Klaviyo's investment in AI-powered marketing. Features like AI campaign generation, intelligent customer segmentation, predictive analytics, automated support, and personalized recommendations help businesses move faster while delivering more relevant customer experiences. For e-commerce brands, agencies, and growing online businesses, even a small improvement in retention, repeat purchases, or customer lifetime value can create a much bigger impact than a temporary software discount. That's why many brands view Klaviyo as a growth platform, rather than just an email marketing tool. Before signing up, check the description below. I've included the latest Klaviyo exclusive deal link, free plan details, available promotions, and any current offers that may help you get the best value possible. And if you enjoy finding verified software deals, e-commerce tools, SaaS discounts, marketing platforms, and business resources that help grow revenue, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.